Hi Pattus, already you have learnt A sound and E sound words. Today we are going to learn I sound words. What is the sound of letter A? A, A, A. What is the sound of letter E? A, A, A. Now tell me, what letter is this? Very good. I. What is the sound of I? E, E. Repeat with me, children. E. Now we will see some I sound words. E. Fig. E. Nib. E. Sit. E. Zip. E. Big. E. Six. E. Pin. E. Lip. E. Pig. E. Lid. Let's see how to write I sound words. I sound words. First word is lid. L I D. Lid. After you write D, take your hand, put full stop for I. Children, while you write the words, you should not take your hand and write. Okay? The next word is fig. F I G. Fig. After you write G, take your hand, put full stop for I. The next word is nib. N I B. Nib. Now you take your hand, put full stop for I. Next, sit. Yes. You had to say and write, children. I T. Now you take your hand, put full stop for I, small sleeping line for T. Next, pin. P I N. Pin. Now you take your hand, put full stop for I. Children, once again read with me. I sound words. L I D. Lid. F I G. Fig. N I B. Nib. S I T. Sit. P I N. Pin. Children, once again repeat with me. Lid, fig, nib, pin, sit. Dear parents, kindly make your child to write I sound words. Take photograph of your child's work. Send it to the class teacher's WhatsApp. Thank you.